Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vinay. So today we are going to create one of Olympics logo. So step 1, select ellipse tool and hold on Alt Shift key or Option Shift key. Then make it stroke. Then set the value something 2050. Okay. Then after that make it object. Then expand and apply OK here. Then we have to make copy of the circle, Alt Shift key to make that, and apply Control D for this case. So we got it, and after that make it group. Then make Alt Shift key again here. So if you go inside of the group, you can delete it one of that. Then select one group and another group here. Then go to align. Then after that apply this align horizontal uh, horizontal and center here. Okay. Then next things we have to set the color over here. So I have to select all the groups and make it ungroup. So you can just move it right now if you want that a bit more gap, whatever it be, or you can make it middle of this circle. Okay, whatever. And next things we have to make ungroup of this one and set the color. This is for the blue, and another one for red here, another one for yellow here, then another one for green here. Okay. And the next step, this yellow and red everything should be arranged differently. So for that, this yellow we have to keep under this. So this blue will be on the top of this yellow. So I'll go to the live paint bucket and pick this color. I think this blue. Then apply here. So before apply here, make sure your paint is turned on and make it okay. And after that, just fill the color here. So this is okay. And the next thing, this black should be on top of that. So I hold on Alt key for with this. Sorry for the mistakes. Okay. Then now this is ready. Then next things is green. We have to go. This is black also. We have to keep on top of that, and I have to set the value here. And this red we have to go under that. So I hold on Alt key. If you're using that, use Option key for that. So now see, this is getting inside, and this is also ready. This is also ready. This is going outside, and this is okay. So see, now this is the way of this logo arrangements. Next we can apply something like a black stroke over here. So for that I have to go live paint, then turn on the fill and keep turned on the stroke here and make it okay. And after that let's go for the black of stroke and cancel the fill color. So we can apply this stroke. So I have to over it. So once you over, you can see this black color it's applying here. Then here this is going that down. So we have to set the color here and here too, and we have to set it here and wherever you feel. So apply every that shapes proper strokes like this. Then apply here and one more here. Then just to continue, this light paint is actually very interesting to make this. Sorry for that. And then undo. Then again I have to go. Then we don't want this configuration actually. Then we have to set here too. So especially this light paint and shape builder is very useful for the logo making. So you can easily work on with this. So it's very interesting. So if you are not using this light paint, so it's so much difficult for this one. So please try and practice yourself if you want to become one of good graphic designer or a logo designer, whatever. So I'm suggesting this light paint is very good for you to make lots of things like this. So if you want, you can make it that black border too. It doesn't matter. So if you want, you can continue this black too here. So I think this is okay, and this is also ready, and this one also ready. So I think it's fine. So anyway, if you like, please support me. Thank you for watching this video.